Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Okay, cool. Yeah. Hey, you guys, I'm Ken, and welcome back to my channel. It is March 12th, 2022, and it has been a while. It's been a long time since the last time I've seen you and you've seen me, even though I've probably never seen you before, but that's neither here nor there. And I'm actually finally sitting down. It's weird, like in my new space. And today is gonna be an interesting day because I'm locking my hair up. And the reason why I'm locking my hair up is because I just don't do it like I used to. Like in my older videos where I would get on here and take the time to actually do my hair and things of that nature, I just don't do that anymore. And I feel like it'll be a little easier and I'll look better if I just go ahead and lock it up. So over the past year or so, I think I've been away for almost over a year. I started a business called Herb Aura, and wait, give me a second. I'm back. So, as I was saying, I started a business called Herb Aura, which is a self care shop that's dedicated to enhancing one's self care rituals through herbs, affirmations, and aromatherapies. Well, I won't really say herbs, botanicals. I think that's a better word. But I've been doing that for over a year now, and between me going to work full time and me doing my business as well, I feel like I just didn't have that much time to do my hair. And I understand the purpose of this channel was to show people that have type 4 hair that everybody can do their hair. And this channel was supposed to uplift people that didn't know how to do their hair, because when I first started out, I didn't know how to do my hair at all. And over the course of time, I was getting better and better with my makeup and things of that nature. And I'm glad that I was able to share those experiences with you, even the experiences of having anxiety and pushing past it. We'll get to those things more on this channel still, but I do want to say that it is a close for me and my hair in terms of doing things with it, manipulating my hair and things of that nature. So it's a little bittersweet because I know that I had just started in a way with the channel, and then I had gone on hiatus, and I'm back to tell you that I won't be doing that type of content anymore. But I feel as though, like, since I don't know, since everything that has gone on in the past couple years, a lot of things have shifted. And I guess this is just the way that I shifted, or this is just the way that, the world has shifted around me, and I'm just making do what I have, or the circumstances that I have. So we'll be here in this space. We'll be doing more things with like botanicals and aromatherapy, and talking about self-care and self-love and getting ourselves together to be the best versions of us that we can be. So I'm excited for this new chapter, and I'll probably be on here again for like the next part of this video, and it'll just be me and my lock journey and how everything went, I guess. I don't know how I'm gonna play it, but I'll be wearing the same shirt. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. And let's just continue to grow from here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. And don't forget to always self-care and never self-doubt. See you guys in the next one.